Welcome everyone to Van Life Sheldon's Travel. Hello everybody, I'm Mike, this is Stephanie, and we're Van Life Sheldon's Travels.
This is Sheldon.
That's Sheldon. And today we're right here at Ruby Beach in Washington State. We're going to take you along and we're going to see what else we can get into today. Alright guys, we're actually going to head back to the van after seeing this amazing view. If you didn't see the last video, here's a little bit. But go check out the last video and you'll see all of Ruby Beach. Wow. So, let's head up the steps, head back to the van. Ranger station. Oh, and that cute little cart. Cute little town. That's just about it.
And here we are at Walmart.
Well, after we left Ruby Beach there, we decided to keep on going down 101, and we actually ended up here in Aberdeen, Washington. And it's been raining and a little funky, but unfortunately, Sandra and Craig have to start heading home, and we're gonna keep going. So we're actually gonna have to part ways today, and that's really sad. But I know a lot of you want to see this van before they leave and what they did to it. So I'm going to show you today exactly what this 03 Chevy Express has to offer, guys. So let's take a little tour of the outside and then I'll take you inside. Well, we have a 2003 Chevy Express with the 5.2 liter. It is an all-wheel drive, so he can get into a lot of places. There's a 3-inch lift kit on this van, and of course, there's 8-ply AT all-terrain tires. It can pretty much get you through anything. He is a ham operator, so he does have a ham unit that's a base unit and a couple handhelds, which that's what that extra antenna is for. If you didn't know, we have the same ARB awning in our van on the back. He's just got the longer version, and it works really well. If you notice, he just used a roof rack and kind of drilled some holes in it and was able to mount the ARB just using that. So I know you're going to have some questions how he did that, but it's super simple. Get you a ladder rack and just use those parts. But it does have a 12-inch high top, and Craig and Sandra can completely stand up in the vehicle, which to us is amazing. But let's take a look inside. Charlie here from Charlie's Travels is here, and he's going to explain the inside a little bit. Well, right here they actually have a big memory foam bed that's inside, and I think he's going to redo this bed and actually slide it back and make it into more of a slot bed like we have. He has plenty of storage, a nice little unit. I'll show you on the other side. He does run a regular cooler, but he also has the same Arctic Cool freezer slash refrigerator that I have, and he's using it as a freezer just like us. He has the 40-liter model, which really works nice. It's a lot taller. He also has the same toilet as we do, and they use it as a nice little stool just like we do. How does he power this refrigerator slash freezer, you ask? Well, up top, he actually has a 100-watt solar panel, and right underneath that, there is, on this side over here, there's actually a battery doctor that actually isolates the front battery to the back battery, and he has a 100 amp AGM Renogy battery underneath here to power everything. along with a 40 amp Renogy charge controller with the Bluetooth module, along with a 1,000-watt pure sine wave inverter. Over here you can kind of see how he built a little box to hold the freezer and his other things. But one of the things I like here, if you don't know about the Trasharoo, this thing really comes in handy. It's made to go on the back of your tire, on the back of an ATV or a four-wheeler or a four-wheel drive with a big tire in the back. But you can actually hold your trash and a whole lot of other things. Of course, he's got his sticker collection, and having an all-wheel drive vehicle here just makes a huge difference in getting every place that we want to be. But unfortunately, like everything else, this comes to an end too, and we're gonna have to leave Sandra and Craig today, and we don't want to, but that's one of the hardest parts of traveling, is actually leaving friends and what start to become family. So Charlie's Travels is right here, and of course he's the navigator and he's in charge of the rig. So as they head down the road, you'll see him more on Facebook. I think they're gonna do an Instagram. He's the star, aren't you, Charlie? Good boy, good boy. Well, everybody, it was really sad leaving Sandra and Craig. We really enjoyed traveling with them, but we have another issue. This morning when we started the van, it didn't want to start. So I had to flip the switch, turn on the 4 back batteries, and of course it fired right up. But that's got to be rectified immediately. So we actually took this thing just now at the Ram dealership. Unfortunately, it's 3 years, 36,000 miles, and we're way above that, so the battery's not in warranty. The only other place in town, I looked at Walmart, but they just have lead acid batteries, and this is an AGM in here, and I want to replace it with the same size, same everything. So we're going to be heading to AutoZone. Looks like it's going to cost almost 200 bucks, but got to do what you got to do. Get a new battery, get us back on the road, figure out what we're doing, and enjoy the rest of the day. So let's go see if we can get a battery, guys. Well, we're right outside the AutoZone, and he's got it all rang up. He's gonna come out and slap it in for me, and we'll be back on the road, guys. Well, after a few minutes, the nice gentleman here at the AutoZone slapped in the new battery, no problem. It is a new AGM, so it'll be good. It's an AGM starting battery. Should be a good collection here. We're already hitting 14.3 on the meter. Perfect. So, but let's see if we can find a Walmart or Anytime Fitness or someplace here in town. Maybe some food and a nice hot shower, and then we'll just figure it out. We'll bring you with us. Since this problem's solved now, we needed this problem solved. It's just been 2 days. I mean, 2 days that we didn't know and what was wrong with it. But it actually tested out at 430 cranking amps. The battery's at 750 cranking amps. The new one is actually 950 cranking amps. So, perfect size, the H6, fit in there perfect, no problems, but all's well.
So after we went and got the car battery installed, we went and took a shower at Anytime Fitness here in Olympia, and Craig and Sandra stayed at a hotel in Alberndine. And so tomorrow we're going to go and see Terry and Scott.
We're going to head up to see Destination Open Road. It's about an hour and a half from here, so that'll work out pretty good. But we're going to close this little video out right here. We'd like to thank each and every one of you for watching our videos. Please like,
comment,
and subscribe.
Check us out on Facebook and Instagram.
There's a lot more content on the Patreon, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.
Thanks for watching.
And don't forget to click on that subscribe button or the Patreon button or one of our hundreds of videos in our playlist below.